This video is all about solving quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. This is the quadratic formula to get the roots of the given quadratic equation. So let's go to our first example. X squared plus 6x plus 8 equals to 0. Make sure the quadratic equation is in standard form, then get the value of a, b, and c. The value of a, the coefficient of x squared, 1. The value of b, the coefficient of x, 6. Then the value of c is the constant, so which is 8. Then use this quadratic formula to get the roots. So let's substitute all the values. X equals negative 6 plus minus square root of 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 8, then all over 2 times 1. Simplify 6 squared, so which is 36. Then multiply negative 4 times 1 times 8, negative 32. Multiply 2 and 1, 2 times 1, 2. Next, subtract 36 minus 32, positive 4, then get the square root of 4, which is 2. Then perform the operation, the plus and minus. But let's go first about the addition. Negative 6 plus 2, negative 4. Then copy the denominator, which is 2. Then divide. Negative 4 divided by 2, negative 2. Next is, let's go about the subtraction. Negative 6 minus 2, negative 8. Then copy the denominator. Then divide. Negative 8 divided by positive 2, negative 4. So the roots of x squared plus 6x plus 8 equals 0 are negative 2 and negative 4. Let's go to the second example. 2x squared minus 5x equals to 9. First, make it sure the quadratic equation is in standard form. So it means we need to transpose positive 9 to the left side. So it will become 2x squared minus 5x minus 9 equals 0. Then get the value of a, b, and c. The value of a, 2, because the coefficient of x squared. The value of b, negative 5, the coefficient of x. Then the value of c is negative 9, the constant. Then use the quadratic formula. Then substitute. So x equals to negative times negative 5 plus minus square root of negative 5 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 9 all over 2 times 1. Then multiply negative times negative 5, positive 5, then plus minus. Simplify negative 5 squared, positive 25. Multiply negative 4 times 2, negative 8 times negative 9, positive 72. Then over 2 times 1, 2. Next, add 25 and 72. 25 plus 72, 99. Then get the square root. But 99 is not a perfect squared, but having perfect squared factor, which is 9. Then let's factor 9 times 11. Then get the square root of 9, so which is 3. But 11 still inside the radical. Then let's perform the addition and subtraction. But since if we add or subtract 5 and 3 square root of 11 still the same, so it means that it's the final answer. Or we can rewrite this as 5 plus 3 square root of 11 all over 2 and 5 minus 3 square root of 11 all over 2. Next, third example, 2x squared plus 4x plus 2 equals 0. Make it sure the quadratic equation is in standard form and get the value of a, b, and c. The value of e, 2, b, 4, c, 2. Then use the quadratic formula, substitute the values. So x equals to negative 4 plus minus square root of 4 squared minus 4 times 2 times 2 all over 2. Simplify 4 squared, 4 times 4, 16. Then multiply negative 4 times 2, negative 8 times 2, negative 16. All over 2 times 1, 2. Next is subtract 16 minus 16, 0. Then get the square root of 0, automatic equals 0. Then let's perform the addition and subtraction. 4 plus 0 divided by 2. 4 plus 0, 4. Then divided by 2, 2. The next is, let's go to subtraction. 4 minus 0 divided by 2. 4 minus 0, 4. Divided by 2, 2. So the final answer is 2. That's all for this video. Try to answer this and comment your answer, and please don't forget to subscribe.